Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisisupport njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Selokhu uFloyd Shivambu ashiya ku-EFF wayojoyina i-MK Party, ama-fighters bewanake yonke into eyenzekayo. Kuthe okokuqala mayifika kumkhonto wesizwe party abakhona lawo ma-comments lawo, kodwa kuthe makuhamba isikhathi ziqala zimvukela lezi nkinga besizwa ngawo. Bekungama-fight ekuseni, emini, ntambama, kunini. Kukhona abantu nje uma ungabheka i-content yabo bangama-fighter bakhave kakhulu udaba lwe-MK Party ukwedlula ngisho i-EFF abangama-members wayo. Ngendlela obekuyiyo ngoba ngize ngathi kwivideo kulama video adlule ngathi ama-fighters athandazela ukuwa kaFloyd. Alukho usuku oluyobajabulisa ukudlula usuku la kuyothiwa khona uFloyd uwile. Alukho usuku oluyodlula futhi ukuwa kaFloyd kubo injabulo yabo abayoba nayo iyokwedlula ngisho ukuwina ama-elections ngendlela ababejabule ngayo. uFloyd mangabe ehlelwa zinkinga sizwa ngabe yabona nje mawufuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kumkhonto wesizwe party, especially kuyinto ethinta uFloyd, funa ufollow ama-fighters, funa ungene ku-Twitter ufollow ama-fighters, uzoyithola lento ukuthi into eyenzeka kumkhonto wesizwe yile, kuFloyd kwenzeka ukuthi namhlanje. Kodwa sonke lesikhathi uFloyd ubengakaze aphendule ngazwi, ubezithulele nje, kwenzeka konke ubezithulela. Futhi noma bezindaba bembuza nge-EFF ube nendlela yokuphendula abeke kahle. Osukwini la izolo-ke ubengasancenge emuntu. Kunezinto ayishilo-ke nge-EFF engifisa ukuthi sizicaphune la. Angizazi noma ziyiqiniso noma zilona. Angizazi. Kodwa ngiyafisa ukuthi sike sixoxe ngazo. Ngizwe ukuphawula kwakho ngesingaweke. Ngabe ziyiqiniso noma akazilona. Ngifisa ukuzwa kuwe. Okunye nje okuhamba phambili akushilo yilokhu.
I don't regret leaving the FFP. It's the best decision I ever took in my political life. Because we're legitimating rubbish there. And there was no way that you could dedicate your intellectual muscles and work. And in practice, you realize that this thing which we said we are standing for is not principle. Check the conduct of EFF in government.
Yazi le nkulumo kaFloyd aseyisho manje nge-EFF ingifikisela ngomcabango othi shuthi i-EFF ikhuluma left and is doing right. Shuthi i-EFF ayenzi lento le eyikhuluma ukuthi imele. Ngitheke uma ngilalela le statement ngase ngikhumbula le video le.
The white people have benefited, my man. You must never run away from that.
I'm not disagreeing.
And when we talk liberation, it's liberation of black people in general and Africans in particular. And those people must feel that somebody is fighting for them. I think you're calling for disaster. Once this marginalized, once these people who are oppressed don't feel represented, they are going to come for me and you. Especially ourselves who stay in the suburbs.
You're right.
So somebody must make them feel accommodated. Somebody must be seen to be fighting for them so that they don't stand up on their own, unled, and then create anarchy. So the EFF closes that gap and says to them, don't be that angry, we're attending to your issue.
CIC, someone must make them feel represented. Not to say someone must represent them, but someone must make them feel represented. And somebody must be seen to be fighting for them. Must be seen to be fighting. Not must be fighting, must be seen. Funa bukeke sengathi. Angisho ukuthi ngithini, kodwa ngithema ngizwa le nkulumo kaFloyd yangicabangisa lelo. Angimfakazeli uFloyd kwakushoyo, cha. Angimphikisi, angimvumeli, kodwa into ayishilo ingikhumbuze le video. Ngifuna lento izwakale kahle kubantu. Asiqhubeke noFloyd.
And what gets to legitimate such That was the best decision ever. And everyone that we spoke to, this like they, like they were to criminalize Mbuyiseni. Hey, I will never trust a person who knew that the deputy president is leaving, and then they isolate Mbuyiseni on the basis that he knew that I'm leaving. It's not only Mbuyiseni; those comrades knew. We discussed it, and we reached the same conclusion that we're not being fair to society if we say that this comrade can lead this country. All of us agreed with the people who are leading EFF now.
Ayikuningi uyaqhubeka koFloyd uyakhuluma la kodwa ukhuluma ukuthi the way ba criminal ushuthi babe baningi abantu ababe nolwazi ngokuthi uzohamba ngoba bonke abantu babe nolwazi umuntu wayengazi kwaku president uCIC kodwa kuthe egcineni kosuku umuntu nje abaphuma naye impela kwaba bagcina bemcriminalize kwaba uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Sizokhumbula ukuthi ngesikhathi esedlule ngesikhathi kune NPA abantu babebuza ukuthi uphi uMbuyiseni Ndlozi. Ngiyakhumbula futhi uCIC ekhuluma noJJ Tabane bambuza ukuthi uphi uMbuyiseni Ndlozi waphendula kanje.
You saying Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has resigned from parliament. I got that when I was outside the country on holiday with my wife. When the SG sent it to me, I never had any.
But what's the on Mbuyiseni?
Yeah, so you can't ask me why did he resign because I never had that discussion.
What was the backstory of him not being at the NPA? Just tell, just take us into your confidence today.
But again, you're unfair to me. I told you I was inspecting the learner's license of my son. My oldest son is 18. That's what I'm responsible for, about whereabouts. Yesterday when he passed matric, he said they are going to Kilimanjaro or Manjaro, what in Soweto. God, I'm going with you. And then the whole thing flopped because they were like, what is this old man going to do with? God, I'm also saying, I'm not responsible for Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. I'm not his father. Not his father. Where he was, what was he doing?
On this one,
I don't know.
On this one, I think you're obfuscating because surely with the kind of organization you are running a tight ship. Let's be frank. You are not running a Mickey Mouse thing. This is a massive organization with 1 million members. Right? And it could be understandable if there was some just ordinary loose member who didn't pitch up for or who was not a delegate. Right? But here you're talking about somebody you have promoted. Just recently, you are pitting him against Panyaza Lesufi, making fun of Panyaza Lesufi. This is incomparable.
You can't compare even now. Even now.
Yeah.
If you
so I can't be convinced.
If you want to question me about the qualities of leadership, let's debate that. Not his whereabouts.
No, I want to debate that you're not worried about why would you not be worried?
I'm not.
Why?
Stage is a village. Usiboni stage zelo stage ukara sa UN usiboni ka NPA se village dilo dilimo.
So you're not worried that he didn't know where he was.
The leadership of the EFF, which was supposed to be there, was there. So why must I worry?
So he wasn't told not to come to the NPA.
No, there's no such a communication.
Njengoba eshilo Floyd ukuthi emveni kuba sekuvelile ukuthi uyahamba yena wathola uCIC ukuthi abantu bonke bebenolwazi kodwa wakhetha ukuphanisha uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Kule video oqeda kuyibona ukhuluma noJJ Tabane. Uyambuza uJJ Tabane uthi akazi lutho akamazi uthuphi futhi uzuyambuza uJJ Tabane akekho umuntu othi angezi kuNPA na uthi akazi. Ngitheke uma ngimuzwa ekhuluma kanje Floyd ngase ngiyakhumbula konje uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi washo statement esiphikisana neseshow Julius ngicela uzwe la.
Well, I couldn't attend the conference of the EFF, the NPA, because over a dispute over my suspension. I was suspended about 6 weeks before the conference, and the suspension was unconventional in that it didn't rely on the code of conduct of the EFF summoned by its constitution. But largely the suspension rested on 2 counts. On the one hand, the leadership said that it's in possession of an intelligence report in which They claim that I'm part of the infiltration strategy by the MKP. I'm working with the MKP. I'm planning to go to join them. I'm waiting for some opportune moment. The second one largely rested on the fact that I knew about the then Deputy President Floyd Shivambu's departure, and I didn't tell the leadership.
Mawulalela Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi ukubeka ngokusobala ukuthi wamiswa 6 weeks before i-NPA okwi-National People's Assembly. Kodwa uma bembuza i-CIC wathi akanalwazi. Bambuza ukuthi akamisiwe akasuspendiwe wathi akanalwazi. Uthi uFloyd ngenxa nje ukuthi wayazi noma babekhona abanye abazi nje ukuthi nalabantu abakhona ku-leadership ye-EFF manje babenalo ulwazi ukuthi uyahamba. Kodwa umuntu wagcina ephanishwa uMbuyiseni Ndlozi. So la uFloyd usazama ukuveza izinto ezingenzeki kahle ezenziwa i-EFF ngokuthi abantu benolwazi bonke kodwa kube nalo yedwa ongaze ucabange wena ukuthi kusho ukuthi lo muntu babevele bemcuphile beswele nje iphutha okuzothi ulenzile bese bekwazi ukuthi bamkhomba indlela. Kodwa uMbuyiseni Ndlozi mayesho othi inzola esalwa kuzo zimbili angize ukungena kuzo ngoba uzichazile. Asidluleke sidlulele phambili siza ukuthi uthini uFloyd.
That is basically, and that is the reality of the situation. The people who are leading EFF, all of us were unanimous. And then the issue was, what do we do? If I wanted to destabilize, someone is asking, were you sponsored to destabilize the EFF? If I wanted to destabilize the EFF, I could have started a faction inside and caused interactions and this. What then the decision was, like, let me not destabilize the EFF, let me leave. I never spoke about the EFF anyway. And also in respect of the responsibilities that I had, that if I was national organizer or secretary general and then speak about the EFF, it was going to be confused as if I'm speaking on those platforms on behalf of the organization. In terms of how we got to deal with, part of, although there were dynamics, like part of the things which I used to appreciate about the EFF was that
njengoba ngishilo mayiqala ivideo ukuthi kuzo zonke izinto ebezenzeka nebezikhulunywa akaza asho lutho nge-EFF akaza asho lutho. Ngifisa ke ukudlulela phambili ngicapha nenye ivideo yesibili la nje akhulume khona nge-EFF.
The country, there've been a lot of comrades who came from Mkhonto weSizwe, from the ANC, from the EFF to say, what then do we do moving forward? Because I did explain to them what were the developments. And a substantial number of those said that don't ever try to join the ANC, and I fully agree with them. That will never join the ANC. It's directionless, it doesn't know what it's doing, it's in collaboration with the wide system now. And there are those who said, don't ever join or rejoin the economic freedom fighters because it's a cult. And I agree with them. There is no space for sound ideological reasoning. And there's no self-respecting person who can join both the ANC and the EFF. I agree with that fully.
Akuveza uFloyd ukuthi ebantwini axoxe nabo ebatshela ngesimo esenzekayo bamlulekile ukuthi angayijoini i-ANC. Wathi yebo ngeke azayijoine ngoba i-directionless ayina direction futhi manje isebenzisana nabamhlophe. Okwesibili uthi bathe angalenzi iphutha lokubuyela noma join EFF futhi uyavumelana nalabo bantu ade bekhuluma kanjalo naye ngoba EFF i-cult futhi indawo umuntu oyedwa ucontrolwa nje umuntu oyedwa. Uye nje mayithi kubhekwe eMpumalanga bonke babheke eMpumalanga. Angeke ngiphawule lutho ngoba ngithe angikwazi angeke futhi ngikwazi kodwa into engiyaziyo ukuthi uma uCIC enganenkinga nawe ama-fighter wonke ayoba nenkinga nawe. Uyabona uma ungabheka uCIC akaze asho lutho ngoDudu, banobudlelwane. Yingakho ubona ama-fight enobudlelwane noDudu. Kodwa ngoba uCIC wakhombisa ukungenami ngoFloyd Mzukwane ehamba, ama-fighter aba nenkinga kusuka ngalolo suku. Ngisho uMbuyiseni Ndlovu, uma ungabuza ukuthi wawenzani ama-fighter angeke usithole isizathu. Kodwa kufika isikhathi sokuthi uCIC mangabe engahambisani nawe noma uphambene noCIC ufuna wazi ukuthi uphambene ne-EFF yonke. Ilokho nje bengithi angekulethele khona enkulumeni eshow Floyd mayikhuluma nge-EFF. Wayibiza ngeCult. Bambuzile ukuthi uthi cult kanjani obekuyo for 10 years. For 10 years ukwi-cult. So ngiyacela ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho. Ngizwe ukuthi wena kuthini okwakho ukubona ngalo lolu daba esikhuluma ngalo lika Floyd. Kukhona okumsola ngakho na uFloyd. Ngoba njoba ngishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi sonke lesikhathi ubethule naye ushilo futhi wathi sonke lesikhathi ubethule. Qala ukukhuluma manje. Ngicela ke sime la mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga.